Hey guys, Dr. Ray here, Chiropractic Plus. And I wanted to personally invite you to our seminar that's coming up, and it's December the 9th at 6:30 p.m. Okay? It's a sleep event, and it's all about how to get good, restful sleep. Now, did you realize that over 60 million Americans, 60 million don't get adequate sleep? And a majority of those guys are children. And we're supposed to get 7 to 9 hours sleep per night, but we tend to cut on both ends, right? We stay up too late, get up too early, because we got to get more and more and more done. But let me tell you something, it is going to lead to some serious health challenges, not the least of which is cancer. And I'm going to actually pull up a slide that I use every single time I do one of these events where it talks about the side effects of the Ambiens and the sleep aids and how they actually lead to the very last thing in the laundry list as it leads to insomnia, which makes absolutely zero sense at all. You're taking a sleep medication to sleep and it causes insomnia over long-term use. Guys, that's crazy. Come and learn and be one more that shows up the event to transform and change your sleep, change your life, and change your health. Guys, I want to see you there. Remember, it's Tuesday night, December the 9th at 6:30 p.m. Let's see you at that event. All right? Take care.